I know it hurts. When someone you imagined forever with becomes a memory. But not every ending is a failure. Some endings are protection. Because the truth is, what is meant for you will never require you to betray yourself to keep it. You shouldn't have to beg for consistency. You shouldn't have to compete for attention. You shouldn't have to silence your needs just to be loved. So maybe you didn't lose love. Maybe you lost misalignment. And one day you will thank this ending, because it will lead you to a love that feels peaceful, not painful, a love that stays without you having to fight for it.